Tall oil fatty acids plays a critical role across numerous industries. 1. Oilfield services industry. The lipophilic groups of tall oil acid are compatible with the oil phase, while the hydrophilic groups interact with the water phase, forming a water in oil W or O emulsion. This enhances the high temperature stability, lubricity and cuttings carrying capacity of drilling fluids. It is suitable for complex formations, such as high temperature, high salinity, and high calcium-magnesium iodine environments, reducing the risk of wellbore collapse, decreasing the frictional resistance between the drill bit and wellbore, and extending the service life of the drill bit. The fatty acid structure of tall oil acid can form a stable emulsification system with wax and colloid in crude oil, reducing the viscosity of crude oil. As an emulsifier or viscosity reducer, it is used to improve the fluidity of crude oil. In addition, it utilizes surface activity to destroy the stability of crude oil emulsion, causing water droplets to coalesce and settle, accelerating the separation of crude oil and water, and improving the dehydration efficiency of crude oil, which is commonly used in the crude oil gathering and transportation processing links. 2. Mineral processing industry. The carboxyl group of tall oil acid can form coordinate bonds with metal ions on the surface of oxidized ores, such as iron ores, rare earth ores, apatite, making them hydrophobic for easy flotation by bubbles. It adsorbs on the mineral surface, enhancing the binding ability between minerals and bubbles to improve flotation efficiency. 3. Coatings industry. Alkyd resin synthesis. A key raw material for producing alkyd resins, reacting with polyols, for example glycerin, pentaerythritol, and polyacids, for example phthalic anhydride. These resins feature good film-forming properties, gloss, and weather resistance. Widely used in architectural coatings, industrial coatings, and wood coatings. Coating additives. TOFA improves drying speed, flexibility, adhesion, and water resistance. For example, adding appropriate TOFA to latex paints enhances adhesion to walls and scrub resistance of the coating film. In ink production, TOFA is used to prepare ink binders through reactions with other chemicals. It forms binders with good fluidity, transferability, and drying properties, ensuring uniform ink transfer to the substrate during printing, vibrant and clear prints, and improved ink drying speed and rub resistance. 4. Rubber industry. Vulcanization activator. As a vulcanization activator in the vulcanization of natural and synthetic rubbers, TOFA promotes reactions between rubber and vulcanizing agents, accelerates vulcanization, increases cross-link density of vulcanizates, and improves physical-mechanical properties of rubber products. For example, hardness, tensile strength, wear resistance. Plasticizer. TOFA reduces rubber hardness and viscosity, enhances flexibility and plasticity, facilitates mixing and molding, and improves cold resistance and flex resistance of rubber products. 5. Plastics industry. Plasticizer and lubricant. Used as a plasticizer and lubricant in plastics such as PVC and PEs. As a plasticizer, it reduces intermolecular forces in plastics, enhancing flexibility, ductility, and plasticity. As a lubricant, it reduces friction between plastics and processing equipment, lowers energy consumption, improves processing efficiency, and enhances surface finish and demolding properties of plastic products. Stabilizer. In PVC processing, when used with metal soap stabilizers, TOFA improves thermal and light stability of PVC, preventing aging, discoloration, and embrittlement caused by heat and light during processing and use, thus extending the service life of plastic products. 6. Daily chemical industry. Surfactants, reacting with other chemicals. TOFA can produce various surfactants, for example fatty acid salts, esters, amides, widely used in detergents, textile auxiliaries, oilfield chemicals, etc., for emulsification, dispersion, washing, and foaming. 7. Metalworking industry. Lubricant additives. As lubricant additives, TOFA improves lubrication, oxidation resistance, and rust resistance of lubricants, reducing mechanical wear and extending equipment life. 8. Energy chemical industry. Biofuels. After further processing, TOFA can serve as a raw material for biodiesel production. Through transesterification, fatty acids are converted into fatty acid methyl or ethyl esters to produce biodiesel. providing renewable resources for the energy sector.